Welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another video from ourselves. So what we've installed on this absolutely stunning Audi R8 is the S5 VTS tracker. For those of you who don't know what the S5 VTS tracker is one of the new trackers that have been registered as a Thatcham tracker. So Thatcham are changing their ratings and this is one of their new products that they've launched. So the system's from Vodafone Automotive. What this comes with is a 24-hour stolen vehicle helpline, as well as these little tags. I have done another video which shows an AMG GTS being worked on, which explains what is a Category 5 tracker. So this system, basically you get live tracking straight from your phone, so you can view all your journeys straight from there, set geo fences as well. So say you park your vehicle up in a storage company or a garage, you can set a geo fence, which means basically a bubble on top of a map, which basically creates that little bubble, and then if the vehicle leaves that geofence, you'll get an alert. Also, you can set speeding alerts as well on the software. So that's all app controlled, but the main feature on this new product is these two little tags. So they're called ADR tags. Basically what they are and what they do is, even if you do have the factory key here, if you started the vehicle or moved the vehicle in any way without one of these two tags present, the driver and the owner of the vehicle will get a phone call from Vodafone Automotive. And really secure method of keeping your vehicle protected in this day and age where a lot of vehicles are getting stolen. So for more details on any system, whether it's Thatcham approved or also the Ghost Immobiliser, which is quite a popular one as well, or any audio upgrade for that matter, or any system that's listed on our website, feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and it's Ardil from CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio, and this is the brand new Audi R8, and it's a Thatcham Category 5 S5 VTS that we've installed. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and share our video. Thank you.